Hi guys, my name is Faison Financial. Welcome back. And for today's lesson, we're going to deal with Microsoft Excel formulas as a continuation, because the previous video we did discuss more about the formulas. So for today's lesson, I'm gonna start with square root, the square root formula. So maybe you are doing different some calculations. Maybe you want to get the square root of a certain value, so in Microsoft Excel, so just use this formula. As we have already said that any formula in Microsoft Excel begins with equal sign, like that. We say equal, then we write square root, like that. As I am writing my formula here, you're gonna see Microsoft Excel is giving me some options to select from. For example, here SQRT, SQRTPI, and that one. So this one is what I want, SQRT. That's square root. See, so square root, I select it. So it's equal square root, open bracket. Then I'm gonna write the value I want to, like it gives me the number. So I want to get the square root of 4. Just imagine, just like that. I want to get the square root of 4, so I'm gonna write equal to square root, open bracket 4, then close bracket, and press enter. Upon pressing enter, here we go, the value, we got the value, we got the square root of 4. So if we want to get a square root of a certain value, we use equal sign, SQRT, then we open bracket, then we press the value we want. Here, maybe here we want to get the square root of 16, like that. We're gonna press that and say enter, then we're gonna see here is the square root of 16. See, square root of 16 is 4. Maybe you want to get the square root of 64 as well. You're gonna do the same, like that, saying 64, like that, and press enter. 8, that's the square root of 64, something like that. So that's how to deal with square root formula in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So another formula is power. Maybe we are dealing with a certain calculations that involves powers. So how to calculate power in Microsoft Excel? So to calculate power of something, we're gonna write equal sign as usual, equal sign, then we're gonna write power, like that. Power, see, we're gonna write power, open bracket, then say we're gonna write your value you want to power. For example, here is let me like you see 4 power 2, so I'm gonna write 4 comma 2, like that, then close bracket. See, as I am busy writing here, you can see that Microsoft Excel, it gives me the values like that. Upon writing equal power, Microsoft Excel gives me what to write inside the brackets, like here. Say equal to power, then open bracket. Here we're supposed to write the number and its power. For example, here I said I want to say 4 to the power 4. I mean 4 to the power of 2. So here we have 4 to the power of 2, like that one, based on this one. So you can see we have 4 to the power 2. Upon clicking enter, then we're gonna see the power of 4 to the power of 2. The answer is 16, something like that. You can even enter different kind of numbers you wish. For example, maybe here I want to get the power of 10, like that. 10 to the power 2, click enter, then that's 100. That's the value. That's 10 to the power 2, its value is 100. Maybe you don't want to use the power 2. We're gonna say maybe here is 12 to the power 3, like that. We're gonna press that value somewhere here, like that, and say 12 to the power 3, then say enter. You're gonna see 12 to the power 3, its value is that one. So that's how to deal with the power value in Microsoft Excel. How to deal with the power formula in Microsoft Excel. Apart from that, there is another formula we use. Maybe you want to write the date for today. So we're gonna say equal, that's the formula for today, right? I mean, you want to get the date for today, say equal, then we write today, and then open bracket and close bracket, like that. Say enter, you're gonna see the date for today. It's like 25 25th 25th April 25th April 2026. That's the date today. That's the date for today. That's it. So to get the date for today, you say 25, you say equal to today, open bracket, close bracket. Then the value we're gonna come there, like today's date is this one. It's not only that way, we're gonna find the date for today by using even now. So we're gonna use now. So say equal to, like this one. Now I'm introducing the now formula. Don't be confused. I think you are following me slowly by slowly. If you are maybe a little bit tired, take a break and take a sip of water, something like that. So let's continue. Equal. Now we are dealing with the now formula. To know the time, to know the date for today. So we say equal, then write now, and open bracket, close bracket, and say enter. That's it. All these two formulas, we use them to get the date for today. The only difference is that when you use today formula, you're gonna get the date for today only without time. While if you use now, you're gonna get the date for today with time. So it's up to you. If you want your date to display time, you're gonna use now formula. If you want your date to only show your date, the date for today, month and year, is you're gonna use the today formula. That's it. Apart from that, there is another formula. Maybe you want to write a year, the year we are maybe here now. I can say now we are in 2026, right? So I want to get the value, the year, without entering letters, just a formula. So the formula of getting that value, you're gonna say equal, like that, then write year. Upon writing year, you're gonna choose, you're gonna press open bracket, then choose one of these one. Here we have we're using now. Here we're using today, right? Here we were using today, and here we're using now. So we get the time and date for today. Here we get only the date for today, like something like that. So we want to get the year for today. So because we want to get the year for today, we're gonna say equal to year, and I'm gonna choose one. So let me use today. So today, and we're gonna press open bracket, close bracket, and say enter. That's it. That's the date for today. See, that's the year for today. That's 2026. The thing is, if you want to get the year, I want to get the year using the formula, the year of now, year, maybe the year in this time, at this time, the year. So because you want to get the year, you're gonna use one of the formulas, like we say equal to year, and choose one, either today or now formula, and paste it inside the brackets, like that, like here. That's it, and press enter. You're gonna get the value. And let me show you that even though here today formula and now formula displays different values, even though they are a little bit related, the only difference is that now formula shows time, while today's formula only shows the date, right? But if we use the now formula in order to get the year, we're gonna get only the year. It does not include the time, what time was that when you were trying to type that year. So right now we're gonna say, for example, let me try it. Say equal to the year, like that, then open bracket, and you write now, and open bracket, close bracket, and press enter. You're gonna see the year is the same. There's no include they are not including the numbers. There is no time included there. It's only pure date, pure year, like that. So that's it. Apart from that, there is another formula which we can use in Microsoft Excel. Let me introduce you to a pi formula. Pi formula. Say pi formula. Maybe you want to get your performing different calculations, or else you want to write pi in the Microsoft spreadsheet, or you want to use it in different ways, you're gonna say equal and say pi. So pi is pi, like that, and you press open bracket, close bracket, and say enter. You're gonna get the value of pi. See, this is our value of pi. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna request you guys to like, subscribe, or even comment to let me know where I need to improve, and to let me know the area of improvement. Thank you for watching this video.